You said, I am a certified Scrum Master. So if you're a Scrum Master, then I would go for PMP actually. I would go for PMP. Do you have a PMP? Here's why. Let me explain. So there's some security guys. PMP is so good that there's some security guys that I know who took the PMP certification. And let me explain why. So here, first of all, what is a PMP? Is a project management professional certification. Project management professional certification. Here it is right here. It's for project managers, and you might be like, well, why would I want to take a project manager? I'm a Scrum guy, Let me show you why. And if you're not, if you already have a PMP and you are not making six figures, then your resume is messed up. So here's PMP certification. Check this out. Salary. Watch this. PMP certification salary. Look at this. This is why a lot of security guys are getting this one right here. I know a couple security guys who have this. That's a PMP. PMP is no joke. PMP is no joke. You see that? That's the low end. You're a Scrum Master, so you would make more than that. Yeah. Yep, look at that. PMP is about a 25% salary increase. This is what I would do if I were you. I just probably made you a bunch of money off of this. You said I just made 125 on a Scrum Master, and I would definitely make more either PMP or IT search. Okay, yeah. So PMP is a natural progression for you. It's a natural, it's the next thing for you to do. I mean, you probably could pass it cold. You could probably just walk in off the street and just take it without studying. I wouldn't recommend that, but you could probably do that. Look at this. Look at this insane madness. I don't know if this is even true, to be honest with you. Look at this number. Does that look real? Because it doesn't look real to me. Look at this. Is what is this? What are we saying here? Do you see this? This is PMP. Look at this. Look at this high end of PMP. Look at this. And you talk about you listen to yourself. Listen to yourself. You were talking about taking IT certifications. You were about to take IT certifications, and look. Do you see? Look at what I'm saying here. Do you see what I'm saying? Numbers don't lie, baby. Look at that. That's a PMP right there. And you're a Scrum Master? I mean, you could probably get a raise. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. That's the base salary right there. What company is this? What are we talking about here? PMP in the United States. Look at this. That's what I would do if I were you. But hey, that's just me. I like money. If you like money, if you don't like money, don't do this. That's all I'll say about that. Yeah, if you don't like money, forget this PMP. Go ahead and get yourself an A+ certification. The A+, by the way, don't make nowhere near this. Nowhere near this kind of money. Okay. Yeah, you make more. Like you're a high level person right now. You should see how much they pay agile coaches. They pay up to $270K and higher. Wow, I did not know that. Yeah, they were asking me agile questions too in my last interview. I'm like, what? What are you? I'm a security guy. Why are you asking me Scrum and agile and all this kind of other stuff? I'm like, man, what's happening here? So, okay, let me see. I got a few other questions, people talking to me here. Somebody also said, currently a Scrum Master, thoughts on how hard it would be to switch to, what is with you Scrum Masters and wanting to take IT certification? Do you not see this on my screen? Do you not see, this is the base salary. Do you realize that not every IT guy makes this kind of money? The average for an IT person is probably like 130, 120. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this number. That's the base for a PMP. Look at this. I mean, granted, okay, so it depends on what part of the country you're in and if you have experience and all that kind of stuff. Like I don't know how accurate this is because you got to factor in a couple of other things, but yeah.